was 23 with a 1-year-old when I started Dress Your Daydream back in March 2020. And honestly, if you are a parent who is trying to figure out what you can do to stay at home with your baby, I cannot recommend this industry enough. Don't get me wrong, it's hard work, there's sacrifice, and you really have to let it fold and mould into your life. But when I first started in this balloon industry, I was given the opportunity to stay at home with my baby. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips on what to do if you are a parent out there thinking, I want to start my balloon business, but how on earth is it possible with a baby? So number one, nap times. Every nap time, if you've got a newborn, please sleep, okay? Sleep is priority. But I would research, I would watch YouTube, I would be looking at different wholesalers, all this kind of thing, reading about business in general. How do I start a business properly? And then when baby was awake and playing, I then put my practice into fruition. So it's all about gaining the knowledge and then implementing what you've learned. Don't bombard yourself with so much information because it can get so overwhelming. Instead, take bite-sized chunks, implement it, and then you will grow from there. 1% every day, you guys. If you are a parent out there wanting to start a balloon business, I really recommend you joining our free boot camp. It's a beginner's guide to balloons boot camp, completely free, where I give you all of my advice on how to start your business. And just remember, I'm here for you. I understand the struggle, but you can do this.